It's May 16th, 2023. I've got a good camera working now for still photos, but it's not working for videos, so I'm using my old gen for iPod. And this will suffice for this. So, Sightseeing Community Human Rights Art Series artwork 56 is now completely done, completely framed. It's May 16th, 2023. Thank you, budgies. I appreciate your input. And parody satire of the inaccessible and vision harmful graphic text design used by Kaiserr-Perminentay and by Kaiserr-Perminentay of Washington State throughout their website and all of their hard copy publication text, which is like voluminous amounts of material for patient members. And even many of their staff complained to me about it, but the exec directors and the chief medical officers refuse to, so far, use any common sense fundamentals of graphic text design as recommended by their own staff, optometrists and ophthalmologists. So I'm going to read what it says here. It's all misspelled, Kaiserr-Perminentay, K-I-S-E-R-R-R -P-E-R-M-I-N-E-N-T-A-Y of Washington, online and hard copy graphic text design, eye-bleechy, C-not C monster. We have about 20-something pieces of hard copy text from different Kaiserr-Perminentay publications, almost all of which is inaccessible, especially people age 50s and older, because they don't use bold, high contrast black type. February 16, 2023, in the news, U.S. Naval, N-A-V-E-L, and Coast Guard alert UFO, unidentified fishy object sighted in Puget Sound, P-H-E-W-G-E-T. Unidentified submarine sandwich is raw. The fishy beastie has vision harmful light value, low contrast, non-bold type, I-D signage. We have radiology, X-ray, president, pharmacy, website, family practice, and assorted additional allegorical sea monsters all around. All right, there you have it.